Now let's discuss creating a branch. The first and most important thing to remember when branching to create a new workspace is branches must be created from established versions. You cannot create a branch from a workspace. This means if your document doesn't already have a version, you must create one. In this example, I want to branch from this design at its current state. This document does not have a version yet, so the first thing to do is create a version. To do this, click the Create Version icon in the toolbar, then name the version and optionally add a description, and then click Create. Now that a version is created, a branch can be created. To do this, right-click the version and click the option to branch to Create Workspace. Type in a name and description for your new workspace and click Create. Checking the Open New Workspace option automatically opens the new workspace upon its creation. Onshape then branches from that version with a new workspace. The new workspace loads, and you are free to make any changes that you would like without impacting other workspaces. Now that there are multiple workspaces in the document, it's important to be aware of what workspace you are in and how to get back and forth between them. The easiest way to see what workspace is active is at the top of the document. Next to the document name, notice the workspace name. You can also see the active workspace by viewing the versions and history graph. The active workspace is highlighted. So how do you go back and forth between different workspaces? Simply left-click the branch you want to open. Notice, there are two views in the version and history graph. You may view all branches or view the active branch only. This view displays all the changes and versions on the active branch, while the All Branches view shows all changes and versions on all branches of the document. The last thing to mention is branches are independent workspaces within the document, so you can create a version in a branch the same way you could in the original workspace. You can branch from an established version on any branch. Branches allow you to try different design ideas or collaborate in an asynchronous fashion. Branches capture all the edits done in each workspace, including changes, additions, and deletions.